PCI DSS requirement 5.1.2 addresses roles and responsibilities for performing activities for requirement 5 for the use of anti-malware software. And it's required that they be documented, the activities and responsibilities be assigned to staff and understood by those who need to implement and monitor the anti-malware software. So with clients, we recommend, and what we've seen in successful clients, is that they identify in their policy regarding anti-malware software who is responsible for deploying, installing the software on systems, on which systems, keeping it up to date, who is responsible for checking on those systems every week or every month to make sure the systems have the up-to-date definition files and are checking in regularly, and to track down systems that are not checking in. So make those policies available to staff, define the roles to meet compliance with PCI DSS 5.1.2.